I'm sitting here with Matteo, who's the Chief Product Officer with Pixmoving, a company I just learned about. It is an autonomous full-stack company, autonomous vehicle full-stack company that is based in China and the US, correct?
Yes.
So explain what exactly are you doing?
Pixmoving is a self-driving startup, and we are developing a L4 universal autonomous chassis. And based on that, we are thinking about the future cities and how the mobility is working on nowadays cities. And our vision is not only about autonomous vehicle, but is everything about the city. So also the infrastructure, the building. So we are not focused on the meaning of the vehicle, like maybe some car makers, some other companies, but we are more focused in everything around.
Okay, so if I understood you correctly, then you're doing the software and the hardware,
yes.
Correct?
Yeah.
And then how is your approach different than, say, Aurora or some of the big players in the full stack space? What's different?
We are different because we have 30 people in our company. We have developed everything inside with advanced technology, starting from the design point of view, because when we talk about autonomous vehicle, we have to talk from the design point of view to the reality. So we change the designing with a generative design of Autodesk, for example. We change the production because we are only the only company about WAM, so large scale 3D printing in alloy, because we 3D print all the chassis in 100 hours, so it's a 1 hour core topic.
So you're actually changing, if I understand this correctly, so you're changing the whole chassis of the vehicle?
Yeah.
So really where the innovation or that what you're trying to, how you're trying to differentiate yourself is the actual physical vehicle itself.
Yes.
So you're building the vehicle from the ground up?
Yeah.
So would that put you in direct competition with a company like Zoox?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so how do you compete with a company like Zoox, which is very well funded, has a name for itself?
Yes.
How are you going to do that?
Because our vision is not to deliver people or goods. Our vision is to develop a new city, a new infrastructures, because autonomous vehicles now, there are many issues about cities, about regulations, about laws. But if we make, for example, a real estate project from the green field, we can rethink everything about autonomous vehicle. So we don't focus on nowadays streets, but more on the future.
All right, well, thanks so much for joining us on the showcase stage.
Yeah, thank you.